How to add client on Dropbox. So you can either come here once you're logged in, click on create, and under folder, you can either create a shared folder, or if you had a folder created already, for example, let me show you. This folder I have right here is empty. Let me choose this one. Okay, this one has some stuff right here. Okay, we'll use this tutorial folder, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I will click on the settings cog right here. Okay, and I'll click on manage permissions. Now, come here, click on people. So you just want to click on add an email address or a name. Just enter the email address of your client. So mine is this. 713@gmail.com. Press enter. And now you can send an optional message if you want. And you can also choose the settings for them. So you can either only view or they can also view and edit. So I'm going to tell them join and then click on share, and they will be sent an email requesting them to join this folder. Okay, it's really that easy and simple, guys. Here we go. It has been shared.